You can start your business with this one, because nowadays many people need this equipment at home. They need also in the sports environment. This is the manager of the company. What's your name, please?
Anna.
Anna. So Anna is going to explain how to use those machines. So let's see together. For example, this one, we can start with this one.
Okay, we step on it.
Okay.
Okay, and we can do like this.
All right.
And you can twist your button.
Okay.
And the more steps you do, the heavier you can feel your leg. So you can practice your fat between to lose the weight.
So this one you advise every day we can do for how many minutes?
Actually, it depends on yourself. You can do 20 minutes every time, and you can rest, and you can do another 20 minutes.
Oh, that's really nice. Okay, all right.
I want to show you how to use the rope.
Okay.
You can like a dancing, because some ladies are very soft, so they do like this, and they going up, and they do like this. So you can practice your back.
So this one actually is for ladies only, or men can use also?
Men also can use, but we suggest to use the bigger step.
Oh, the bigger step.
Yeah.
Okay.
It will be more comfortable for the men.
For the men.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, sorry.
You can put back, no problem.
Okay. People, they like put the feet a little bit behind to be like,
Okay.
to practice this part.
This part, this.
So you can be a little bit lift up your bottom.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right. So we can move to another machine. For example, this one. This one.
So this one we can start first. Okay. We can take off the shoes.
All right.
Because they have the magnetic to massage your feet.
So remember, to use this machine, you should remove your shoes. Okay.
If you want to, to make your feet feel better, a little bit massage, you can remove the shoes.
All right.
Okay. So you can tighten your button and hold the belly a little bit tight, so they will shake your fat off. The longer time you use, the more heat you will feel.
Yeah.
And you can feel very strong shaking from this part. And also you can put one leg, and if you want to shake this part as well, so you can put the leg like this.
Okay, I have one question. Can we increase the speed of a machine, or?
Yeah, we can increase it under the menu mode. For example, you can plus this one. You can increase until 120.
Wow.
Okay, so the more you increase, the stronger shaking you feel.
That is very nice. And then actually you can feel the effect on the whole body.
The whole body.
Okay.
The stronger shaking, you will feel more higher of the strength of the power of the machine. And also, if you have the back pain, you can. Okay, let me reduce a little bit because it's too strong.
Yeah.
So you can sit.
So if you have back pain, this is how to do.
So you sit like this, because sometimes the long position of the sitting, you will feel uncomfortable of the bone. So it will help you to soften the bone.
Wow.
So no need to go to the massage shop if you don't have that.
Yes, you have your small equipment at home, and then you find.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
and from this one we can do for how many minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes every day. Okay. That will be very good.
Oh, every time if you feel you want to use more time, so you can turn on the machine again and do another 10 minutes.
Oh, so it depends on the result that you want.
Yes.
How about this one?
Sure. So from this one you can know the function of it. It's for the old people to recover from the leg pain, and also for the long sitting ladies, so they can help you do the blood circulation.
All right. So this one can actually help you for your blood circulation.
Yeah, because sometimes you will feel numb of your leg because long sitting or long standing or the long walking, you will feel the muscle is very stiff. So this machine will help you to feel the zero weight. Your leg will feel nothing, and it will help you to do the blood circulation. That is very good machine. It's very small, but it's very useful. I think so. Yes. And you can put under your table. It will not take the space.
Yeah, it's very small.
Yeah.
Wow. So you can see here, she using the leg is actually work out your leg. Okay.
Yeah. So now she feel the machine help her to move, so she can help her relieve the pressure of the leg.
Wow.
Also, this machine help you to go forward and the backward, because the human being will usually only go forward but not backward. So this machine will help you feel the difference.
So this is a backward direction.
Yeah, so it will very helpful for your leg.
Wow.
And for the long sleeping on the bed, the older people, they don't have time, they couldn't get off from the bed. It's very benefit to them. You can use it on bed.
So this one is for old people.
For young people as well.
Oh, young people and old people.
Because we want
Yes,
to
of
sell
course.
more.
Yeah, that is of course. I understand. So, guys, you see, she explained everything in detail. I'm going to translate later in French, right, for those that cannot speak English. But you can see that all this machine here are very useful. Can help you to keep fit, to actually dominate your fat, so that the fat can disappear from your body, and then you will feel healthy. So every day you can use this kind of machine, and then your life will be better. Okay, so do not forget, if this company is the right one, if you need those small equipment for your home or for your gym, Anna is here. You don't have to worry. If you need even 1 million pieces, she can provide to you within 2 days. Don't worry, Anna can do everything for you. Okay, thank you very much.